People, wagwan. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. You see today is a different thing. You have to take it easy today. You have to take it easy, Panawanya. Yeah, you have to get to a rhythm and play the rhythm. Can't play no rhythm because I don't want to lose no money. You see me? But you see today, something for the vegetarians them. Vegan thing. Ital thing, because you don't know Ital is vital. Rasta thing. Yeah? Ital Stew today, people. Yeah? Oiii. So you don't know, yeah? You see with Ital Stew, people, now there's three things that's quite important. Yeah? One of them I can't do. So, first of all, the vegetables and stuff that you use should be grown in your own yard. Yeah, by yourself. Or you know where they come from. You see me? We can't do that because you done 9 things there. Second of all, to use this, you need coconut. You need coconut milk, right? And it has to be done from a coconut. You cannot use no powder, nothing like that. You have to use a real coconut. Yeah? Third of all, no salt. No salt. You hear me say? Ital Stew today, people. So the first thing we're going to do, yeah, is we're going to get into the coconut. We're going to make the coconut water and get that all ready for the thing. So I'm going to show you what to do. Zimmy. So you don't know, people. Oiii. This is today's ingredients. We have some scallion, spring onion. We have some peas. We have some okra. We have some tomatoes. We have some thyme. We have some carrot. Yeah. We have some sweet potato. We have some garlic. We have some pumpkin. We have some Irish potatoes. We got a coconut. And we got some red kidney beans. Yeah? Now I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description so you can read up and know exactly what I want. Yes, people. So you don't know. We got the pineapple plants, you get me? Yeah, nice, you see what I say? But yeah, alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is rock the coconut. Yeah? Now, we are not gonna chuck away any of this, yeah? Okay, see this? We can use this for coal. Yeah, we're gonna use this for cold so you don't know we're cooking outside today. You see me? So we just bust that. Hardly any juice in there. Little piece of juice in there. Switch up. Blood clot. Yeah, man. So this, what we're gonna do now. The real way to do it in Ital Stew, people, is to grate the coconut. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the coconut in the blender. Yeah, and I am going to put the juice from the red kidney beans and blend it with it to make a little mixture going on, and then I'm going to add a little bit more water to the red kidney beans juice and the coconut that I've blended up. So yeah, man. Yo, so you see today, people, when you're cooking this, I just want you to take it easy. So you have to do this nice and relaxed because you don't know this is a Rastafarian recipe. I just lost a piece of coconut there, but don't worry about that. I'm going to wash it, you know, because you have to stay clean, even when you're outside. So you don't always have some water to just wash off your things then. But yeah, just take your time, man. Don't rush it, you know. Just make sure you play some nice reggae music and just take it easy, man. And one bill. 2 or 3 coals. Just to keep it up and running, you know? So yeah, that's what we're dealing with today, people. Let me get that a little stir. Yeah. Alright. So we are gonna start with some seasoning. You don't know, we're not talking about salt or nothing like that. So we have some thyme. So we are dashing the thyme. Yeah. Scallion. We are just Wash off the scallion. And then just and you see these? We're gonna replant these. Yeah? We're just gonna put them straight back in the ground. That one there with the roots. Yeah, we're just gonna put them back in the ground and they should grow still. So put them down there. And you don't know. We're gonna do it real Ital style. Yeah. Looking good. Ital is vital, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, people. You don't know anything to say, it's the hard and vibe. That's it. Yeah, man, so you don't know, just take your time with this one, you know, people, you know? Take your time, yeah. Don't forget to put on the bell. You don't want to miss no notification buttons. I'm not even going to rush today when I'm talking. Them type of vibes, you know. Make sure you play some reggae music when you're doing this. And do it outside, man. 'Cause that's the proper vibes, is it? Yeah, man, so we're going to leave the potatoes and the sweet potato for another, like, 15, 20 minutes, you know. So they just, maybe 15 minutes. And then we are going to add the final okra and the beans, you know. And then it should have a nice body and a nice consistency to it. Ital is vital sometimes. As we finish chop up the okra, yeah, I just remembered I have some okra seed. You get me? Now I told you Ital is vital, and I told you that you know, you should use for all the stuff from your own back garden. So hopefully we can come back in like August time and do our own Ital stew that's done from our own garden. So you don't know, we have a chili pepper there, that's just little nut on that. This is either a pepper, a sweet pepper, or a scotch bonnet. I'm not too sure, but you know, just Take out that. You get me forward, man. Forward, forward. Because we're not in a rush today. We're not in a rush today. That for like 5-10 minutes. You get me? And then we're good to go. Oiii. She should be ready now. Yes, man. Ital Stew. Looking good. Alright. Look that good. Niceness. Some pumpkin, some sweet potato in there, some carrot. I'm just gonna dash that onion back in there. Some Irish with some okra. Let's get some of them beans in there as well. Look at this, everything in there, the kidney beans, the pumpkin, the okra, the Irish, sweet potato, carrot, everything. Now remember, there's no season in this. Some people put black pepper, some people even put a little bit of turmeric, but I'm saying, do you know what? If we're gonna do this Ital, let's do it Ital. I don't want no seasoning in the thing. Cause we have natural seasoning, so you don't know. Let's taste the thing and see how it tastes. The first time I've ever cooked it, you know. Yes, man. So I'm intrigued, yeah. I'm really intrigued on what this is gonna taste like, because obviously there's no salt. You get me? So you don't know, man. Has just got a little piece of potato there, a little piece of pumpkin, a little piece of okra, a little green bean, and can get some juice on there. And let's taste this and see what I got. Quite hot. Don't need no seasoning, brother. You don't need no seasoning. Let me go in for a bit of sweet potato. Ital is vital. Yeah. Real Rastaman thing. This my idea when I got some carrot as well. Them carrots are not even overcooked. That's nice, you know. I don't like soft carrots too much. Yo, I'm telling you, people, I can't even stop eating it. I'm meant to be saying goodbye in these things, but Ital Stew, something for the vegetarians. Yes, man. So you don't know, people. Please do it. We all need to just have some vegetarian meals sometimes. You get me? Yeah, man. Wicked one. I enjoyed it. I know a lot of people been asking for Ital something for a long time, and yeah, we're gonna learn some more, man. We're gonna do some more Ital stuff. So this is just the start. Ital Stew. Yeah, the bean. Oiii. It's cook and vibe. We're just taking it easy today. Play the rhythm.